learning about different animals. And this week we're learning about wild animals.
Yay!
That's one for vocabulary words, isn't it? So we've also asked, where do animals live? Who remembers where the bear lives from our story? Adam, he lives in a cave. Why might the bear choose to live in a cave?
Because it's warm in there.
Raise your hand.
Because it's warm for winter.
Yes, it might keep them warm during the winter. Does anyone else have other ideas? Brantley?
It's probably a female.
It could be female. I mean, female bears can live in caves too. But why would he choose the cave for his or her home?
Because it's dark.
It's dark and warm. And how do you think it makes him feel in his cave? Comfy, safe. Those are some great answers.
For the other animals.
So we're going to learn more about where animals live and why they might choose to live there. So we looked at our category words where we match pets to their homes. And now Miss Oxer is going to read a poem to you all. This poem is called The Very Nicest Place. It says, the fish lives in the brook. What's a brook? Have you all ever heard of that term before?
A pond.
It could be a pond or a stream. So the fish lives in the brook. The bird lives in the tree. But the home's very nicest place. But the home is the very nicest place for a little child like me. So what does this tell us about a nice home? What makes a home a nice place? Brianna? You're comfortable? What might make us feel more comfortable in our homes? Madeline? Can someone help her? Yeah, somewhere cozy to sleep.
A house?
And yes, it's something that fits our needs, right? So what do we need?
Water.
Bentley Markin, what are some things that we need for our homes?
We need like a whole refrigerator.
Yeah, we need refrigerators to keep our food cool.
Water.
And
we need
raise your hand.
we need freezers.
Freezers. Kylie, what are you thinking?
We keep our vegetables cold.
Yeah, we have to keep our
We have to
food.
keep our rock in the fridge where they get cold and burn them.
We need somewhere to store our food safely, right? Do you think animals do that too?
No. And we have to make
Animals might try to protect their
and we
food.
can make sure they will fit in the green.
So, we have been learning about why animals choose their homes. Now, yesterday, whenever we read the story, The Bear Snores On, we talked about the plot. Does anyone remember what the plot of a story is, Bella? Here in just a little bit. Who remembers what the plot of a story is?
Me and my sister,
Adam. Remember we drew at our stations about all the... Up here, please. We drew about all the animals in the story and what they did. Yes. So the plot is about all... Look up here, please. The plot is about all the different things that happen in a story, the different events. Bentley Markham, come up here, please.
Why?
Because You're distracted. You need to focus because this is important what I'm about to teach you. We learned about all the different events that make up a story called the plot. But today we're going to learn more about why these events happen. And this is called cause and effect. Now the cause of something is why it happens. And the effect is what happens. So, the cause always comes before the effect. And to help this make sense, I need... Guys, let's look up here, please. I need a volunteer to come up and hold this balloon. Oh, if you're saying me, I'm not. Paisley, will you come and hold this balloon for me, please?
She's gonna pop it.
Stand up.
No, she's gonna pop it. Yeah.
We don't know yet.
Lick it.
So, Paisley, just hold this balloon right here. Now, let's think. I also have a sharpened pencil. What do you think might happen if I poked this balloon with this pencil? Wait, let's think for a minute. Let's predict what might happen. Do you think it'll pop?
They'll pop it.
Let's find out. Shh, I'm waiting for everyone to get a level 0.
They'll pop it. They'll pop it. Don't be too loud.
Okay. So, the reason Miss Archer popped that balloon was to show you cause and effect. So what caused? Look up.
That's why I did.
Jacob, what caused the balloon to pop?
That's why
I can't hear Jacob. Listen. Let's focus.
That hurt my ear.
Jacob, we should only hear Jacob. Call, move up here, please.
He's in blue group. He's in blue group. I did.
But he's moving up here so that way we can focus better. Jacob's telling me what caused the balloon to pop. Scoot back. It's pointy and sharp. So the cause in this is the pencil poking the balloon, and the effect is the balloon popping. If I'm here, Skylar, let me hold this balloon. So the cause, because I poked the balloon with the pencil, it popped. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So let me give you another example. Stay where you are, just turn around.
What are you doing?
You're about to find out.
But we can't do it until we are turned around. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, turn around and face me if you haven't already. We're going to find out. So, Miss Oxshire has here an egg. Let's see. I know we're excited and that makes me so happy, but we have to focus. Listen.
Is that a real egg?
Let's predict.
That's a real egg.
You need to scoot back though. Okay, freeze. Freeze. We can't do this if we're talking. What do you think will happen if Miss Auction were to drop the egg? Let's find out. So Miss Auction's going to drop the egg. And what happened after Miss Auction dropped the egg? So the cause was the egg being dropped, and the effect was the egg. Now I'm gonna count back from 5. When I do, be back in the spots you were in on the carpet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5. When I get to 1, let's be at a level 0.
Are you gonna fix my shit?
Yeah. And 1. You should be in your seat facing the smart. After the lesson. Yeah, let her back where she was, please. Hurry, hurry. We're wasting time. We're wasting time. I'm waiting.
Hey, hood off.
We cracked it.
No, you
And we popped the balloon.
And why did we crack the egg and pop the balloon? What did we learn about?
That was
What caused the egg to crack and the effect. So, understanding cause and effect is important because it helps us know why events happen in a story. So, repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
I will describe the cause and effect
Describe the cause and effect
of events in a story.
of events in a story.
Good. So as we reread through the Bear Snores On, as we reread through the Bear Snores On, let's look for different cause and effect events. And we remember that this story is a fantasy. But what makes it a fantasy? Yes, what makes this story a fantasy? That animals have a party. What else makes this story a fantasy? Brianna's got her hand up now. Let's listen. Can waking a bear up happen in real life though? Remember, a fantasy. Cole, let's listen. A fantasy is something that can't happen in real life or is make believe.